Hey everyone! So today I did a tutorial on how I dermaplane my face. So it's basically like face shaving, but it makes your makeup go on so much smoother, and it's very important for many reasons. The first reason is if you get all that peach fuzz off your face, you're also removing with that little shaver the top dead layer of skin. So what that does is it actually helps all of your skincare products actually sink into your pores and work for your skin. So my whole thing is, if you're going to spend a lot of money, or even just not a lot of money, but if you're going to really care about your skincare, then you want your skincare to actually be working in your pores, and it cannot penetrate through the top layer of skin if it's all dead and caked and gross. So I have not dermaplaned my face in a few months, I would say. I was really good at it at the beginning of the year. I was doing it like every other week. I recommend it once every 2 weeks just to kind of get that layer of peach fuzz off your skin and then continuously exfoliate. So I have completed it. I already filmed the tutorial. It's pretty good. I hope that you guys enjoy it. I just talk about what I use. I'm gonna link some little razors down below that you can purchase for this purpose. I just show you how I do it because there is a certain technique you want to make sure to follow when doing this. Your hairs on your face do not grow back thicker or more coarse or anything like that. That is a myth. My face does not feel like rougher when it's growing back or anything like that. It's just peach fuzz. Now if you have like thicker hair, like maybe some women have like a little bit of a mustache, you know, I think it would be the same way, you know, like shaving your face. It kind of cuts off like a blunt edge at the hair follicle, but I haven't heard anybody with that kind of facial hair, like thicker facial hair, say that it makes it grow back coarser or feel worse. But anyways, for me, if you just have peach fuzz, it does not affect you like that. It does not make the hair grow back darker, coarser, anything like that. So I hope that you enjoy this. I hope you learned something, and as always, please like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, so I just got out of the shower. I have my PJs on. My favorite ones are super, super soft, but my face is completely clean, and I have my little headband on just so that I do not accidentally razor my hair off. So what I'm doing is I'm going to start with these razors. I got these from HomeGoods. They were $5. Any kind of like face shaving or dermaplaning razor will do. They're also called like an eyebrow shaver or something like that. So I'm just going to grab a pink one, and it has a cover on it. So this is what the blade looks like. It's very, very small, and it's just a single blade. So I'm just going to go ahead and start. So I'm going to try to get a little bit closer here, but what you do, I always shave it down on my face, and I'm going to start on my forehead. What this is going to do is just get all the peach fuzz out and also just exfoliate your skin. I don't have anything on my skin. Some people say to put like an oil on to help the razor like glide better, kind of like a shaving cream kind of thing. I've done that, and I just found that it just gunked everything up more, and it didn't really exfoliate like I wanted. So I do not use anything on my skin. My skin is not super dry, so I don't find that it pulls or anything like that. But if you have super dry skin, maybe do some research and try an oil. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get started. So I start up at my forehead, and I just start in the middle, and I can see that my hair is right here, so I'm just gonna make sure not to get that in there. I'm going to angle this razor. I'm not going like straight down or like straight horizontal with it. What am I trying to say? You don't want to put your razor at a 90-degree angle. You want to put it at like a 60-degree angle. I don't know, take me back to math class. So I'm just going to go like this, and I'm just going to, I'm applying a little bit of pressure, but not a lot, and you want to make sure to just keep your skin taut. Okay, so that was one swipe. Okay, that's so gross, but look at that. That's just one swipe. That's after one swipe and just one part of my forehead. I haven't done this in a long time. A lot of the times you do want to do it like maybe once every 2 weeks. So now I'm just going down the rest of my forehead, making sure to keep my skin taut. And I'm applying, like I said, a little bit of pressure, but not a ton. Oh, that's gross. Okay. Alrighty, I'm not even gonna show you that. Okay. I'll show you the next one, don't worry. Okay. So you may see that eventually my forehead will get a little bit red, but that's normal. So I just did one side, and now I'm going to do the other side of my forehead, and you can just watch the pattern that I go. And I'll talk about my nose. I'll save my nose for last. I also do my neck. So I'm just gonna do it and speed through a little bit so that you can kind of see how I do it.
Triple A, credits alright. Hang up the phone and let your heart break. Only in LA, 24 twice. She's on the phone, but she's staying on Wilshire Boulevard. Old dreams dying hard. He wants you to return this love. Breathing in.
Now I'm going to do up here in my nose. You want to be very, very careful on your nose. I just go straight down, and you have to go very light on your nose just because the skin is so much thinner. Just be really, really careful. The first time I did it, I went like the same pressure that I had on the rest of my face, and my nose was like red and raw for 2 days. So be very gentle with this part, and you can see that I do different angles because the razor is pretty wide. You want to make sure that you're not gonna like cut anything with the edges.
In the dark, weightless, working hard. He wants you to return his love. Now he's bleeding diamonds on you. That ain't enough to turn the page. He's kneeling.
Okay, so that's the best I can do on my nose. It's like the hardest area, but you just try to like get in there. That's all you can do. And now I'm gonna do my neck and my jawline.
Wants to feel known, but he's not the one who pulls away. That ain't enough.
That's really it. I'm just going to rinse my face off, pat it dry, and then I'm just gonna do some very light, like sensitive skin, friendly skincare.
Turn the page.
Okay, so you can probably see that my face is a little red. This is very normal. I just shaved off the top layer of skin in Peach Fuzz, so especially if you're like me, I haven't done that in like weeks. It's been actually months, so that's why mine was so bad. But I was like, what a perfect time to film it when it's gross. So now you're going to take this and you're going to throw it away because you only want to use these one time. They're like a one-time use razor type of thing. So like I said, I got this from Home Goods. It's a set of 6. They're just like grooming razors. Just you want the one blade very gentle, but you want one to be sharp so it doesn't pull. But yeah, my skin is so soft. Absolutely no peach fuzz, and what that does is it helps your makeup application and just how like it allows your skin products to soak into your skin so much better than whenever there's a layer of dead skin that like clogs and it traps all the product. If you're gonna buy really nice skin products, you might as well have a face that is exfoliated and ready to accept that product. So I'm just gonna go ahead with my normal skincare, and that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know. I will try to find some face razors. There's plenty of them. I'll link some in the description box below, but that is how I dermaplane my face at home.
Shit's off, suit is on point. Won't cause a scene or stir up no clash. On second thought, Venice by 4th. She's on the job, but she's staying on Wilshire Boulevard. Old dreams dying hard. He wants you to return his love. Breathing in the dark, weightless, working hard. He wants you to return his love.